this video, I will speak about Ata chapter 20. It is not Ata chapter for system, like air conditioning, like electric 24, furnishing and equipment 25, but this is 20, part 1. This is in the aircraft maintenance manual. This chapter is 20. The subject is standard practices. This is one subject, but there are many subjects. Here is the aircraft maintenance manual at the chapter 20, standard practices. Please stop the video and read this information. This is my YouTube channel, and this is another one. This is the date today. This is my photo. 3 items I hope to comply them. This is standard practices. Maintenance practices. Here, maintenance practices. Number 1, airworthiness limitation precaution. Look here, precaution. Precaution from what? From fire, flame. Where the fire comes from fuel and heat. The fuel are inside the fuel tanks, and the flame or heat from the engines. So the fuel tanks near the engine is the inner tanks, the fuel inner tanks. Look here, this is critical design configuration control limitation. This is the shortest of them. CL, CD, CL, C critical, D design, the other C configuration, the cell C control limitation here left. Okay, look here, the fuel tanks, where you will find the critical tasks in the maintenance program or the maintenance planning document, either in Boeing or Airbus. Here, the sources here, look here, this is from FAA, and the other one in the reference, I will show you the IASA. Look here, airworthiness limitation. Here, CMR. CMR, there are 2 stars. CMR 1 star or CMR 2 stars. Where I can find these critical tasks, I will show you. This is the Federal Aviation, means Boeing or FAA. Look here, the fuel tanks. This is here the problem, fuel tanks, airplane fuel tanks. Here, if you want to see, go to the maintenance planning data or maintenance program, aircraft maintenance approved program. This column, task description, this is in Boeing. If you go to the Excel format for the maintenance program or MPD, you will find in this title or column small triangle if you press on it, and filter, search for ALM, ALW, CMR, so and so. This is in the Boeing, but this is for Airbus. Column source here. The source includes the task. Also, filter and search for CMR or AWL. Okay. This is the source where you find these tasks. This is a reference for IASA. I will put it in the description of the video. And this is this is also reference for that. So the problem here, the fuel tanks, the inner fuel tanks beside the engine. And this is short notes about that, but you must go to your aircraft maintenance manual at the chapter 20. Okay? I am waiting your comments and your suggestions. Thank you very much and goodbye.